Ready to harness the power of AI for your business, but don't know where to start? In this video, we're cracking open Chatbase, a platform that lets you build a custom chatbot trained on your specific content. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned developer, this 2025 tutorial and review will show you a live demo of how it works, what it does well, and where it might fall short, helping you get a fully functional AI assistant up and running in no time. The fundamental goal of Chatbase is to enable you to create a specialized version of ChatGPT that knows everything about your content. You start by building a knowledge base, which involves uploading your documents, PDFs, Word files, text files are all supported, or simply entering a website URL for the system to scrape and index automatically. After the AI has processed and learned from this data, you can customize the chatbot's settings, including its name, the opening message it displays, and its overall temperament to make interactions more engaging. The core promise is that this chatbot will then provide accurate answers to user questions by strictly referencing the provided data, with citations to maintain credibility. To get this chatbot on your site, you embed it via a small code snippet, making it appear as a chat widget, or you can connect it to other tools using its API for more powerful automation. The platform operates on a subscription model where plans are determined by the number of conversations, or CRED, it's you need per month. Chatbase offers a tiered pricing structure starting with a free plan that provides 50 message credits per month, one AI agent with a 400 kilobyte limit, and access to fast models, though agents are deleted after 14 days of inactivity. The hobby plan at $40 monthly increases the limit to 2,000 message credits, unlocks advanced models, AI actions, API access. The standard plan for $150 per month offers 12,000 message credits, 2 AI agents, and 3 seats. The Pro plan at $500 monthly provides 40,000 message credits, 3 AI agents, and 5 seats with advanced analytics. Finally, the Enterprise plan includes all Pro features with higher limits, priority support, SLAs, and a dedicated customer success manager. If you enjoyed this review, please support the channel with a like and a subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care